Hi everyone, welcome to a new video. I'm hoping that you all are fine. So guys, there is a good news for every CMA fraternity and also specifically for those who are at present working as a practicing cost accountant and those who are thinking in near future to start a practice firm. So this will be a benefit to every CMA fraternity. Okay. So earlier guys, we know that CA Institute has released a notification that a member in practice, a CA member in practice can introduce CA, CMA or CS, okay, in their firm. And then CS Institute also released the same notification. Practicing CS can introduce CA or CMA into their firm. And now finally, Mother Institute CMA has also released a notification that yes, a practicing CMA can introduce CA or CS in their firm. So this will be, you can say that a healthy competition and booster for the economy and also for the same profession of CMA, CA or CS. So this will be as of now for draft. And after you can say that expiry of 45 days and also for the you can say that the suggestion or objection and objection from the public, then it will be fully amended. And yes, CMA or practicing CMA can introduce CA or CS into their forms. So this will be a healthy competition and good news for every CMA fraternity and also those who want to start their practicing firm and those at present currently working as a practicing cost accountant. Okay, so yes, 13th August 2021 Institute released a notification. This will be as of now, this will be a draft. For any objection or suggestion from public, any public want to give some suggestion or objection, institute will also give the answers of those suggestions, will take the consideration of those suggestions and will relieve the give the answers of those objections. Okay, so after the expiry of these 45 days, then a member in practice may form multidisciplinary firm with the member of other professional bodies like CA or CS under regulation 111B and 111C in accordance with the regulating guidelines of the Council for Functioning and Regulating of such multidisciplinary firm. So this is a good news for these professional bodies. Okay, suppose you want to start a CMA firm, okay, and your other friend are doing CA or CS. So you as a thrice, you as a team can start your practice and distribute your work of CA can handle the work, CMA can handle the cost audit work, GST audit, and CS like company compliance and compliance work. Okay, so legal and compliance and these are kind of work. So this will be a you can see the healthy competition for all these three professional body of CMA, CA, and CS. So this is the notification. Where you will find the notification from Institute website, you will find. You just need to click here in the notification. Okay, and then you will get cost and work accountant amendment draft regulation 2021. Okay, this is as a draft now for the suggestion and objection from the member on the this is open for all public. Okay, anyone can give suggestion or objection. Okay, then institute will finally amend it and as a statutory provision. So hope you like this information, and still you have any doubt, any question, or need any clarification in the comment section, you can ask me. Surely I will try to help you from my side. That's all about in this video. Bye guys.